When you go to the full screen. So again, team, so once you have done the part, then we're coming to this part. Please, can you please cursor on the light on the cursor? Okay. Okay, let's go continue, please. Roadmap of the summary. We're going to the Cypress and technology stack, how to install the Cypress, introduction, the backend automation, what is API breakdown. I will go fast. You guys can read the slide. I will not read the slide, okay? What is a backend automation? And we'll be going all of this. Introduction to Cypress, simple. We're going to use this library to automate the front end and the backend. It is based on the Node.js base, means JavaScript, the programming language we are going to use that we have covered very high level in the previous session. Cypress is an open source, means free, JavaScript-based end-to-end testing framework and for modern web application. Why? Simplify the testing with all-in-one solutions, fast performance, easy to use API, ensuring application work correctly. And we using Cypress during the development for automated end-to-end integration and unit testing to catch regression and the benefit functionality. That's the whole purpose. That's the testing we do. Cypress is used for the web development environment, integrated with the CI looks like the Jenkins, Circle, and the GitLab, all you name it. Advantage. Real-time reload, Cypress does it. Remember, the JavaScript is a asynchronous programming language. Automatically reload the test on change, time to trouble, snapshot at each test step for easy debugging, fast and reliable. Runs directly in the browser, which is great. Easy setup. It really takes 5 minutes to set it up. Rich API. The rich API means as much as possible on the website. It has everything, means all the web elements. It has a good amount of community support so that the companies are heading towards the Cypress because most powerfully, because JavaScript are being used on the front end development. That's the reason Cypress it goes hand to hand. The front end developer who knows who is developing, they're using the React, Next.js, it takes for them a week, maybe less than a week. Just read the documentation, they start automating the process. That's the reason our bootcamp is we design the front-end developer become a test automation engineer only 1 week because Cypress is a library. Browser support, memory usages, learning curve, limited mobile testing. It doesn't do the mobile testing, so you need to know this. Of course, newcomer, you have to learn a little bit. It takes the high memory because anything you do the machine learning means the UI, okay? Anything you do, it's always heavily the memory usages, right? That's the reason we use the GPU, right? It's spatial. It doesn't do the mobile testing that much. Authentication complexity. So we are going to use install the Cypress via NPM. We'll talk about this in the next slide. Go next. Technology stack, we are going to talk. So let's talk this, then we are going to